Welcome back, guys. So we got the last window installed and we got the door installed.
Yes, we are going to be doing spray foam around both of the windows and the door, but I think we're going to start off with actually insulating the interior walls of that dormer so we can get our bodies moving, get warmed up a little bit. We went from the 50s down to the 20s.
Yeah, like overnight, so it's cold.
Yes, so
we're not acclimated to that weather yet.
No, we're not. We're moving a little bit slow today, so we need to get in there, get to work, and get warmed up a little bit.
Yep.
All right, let's go.
You gotta do it right though, okay?
I always do it right.
Aaron, you tricked me!
That's what you get.
You tricked me! Foul! 10 seconds. No, I'm caught!
I win.
Hey, that's not over yet.
Yeah, we're even. For bonus points. Oh, you
didn't put it on the way.
So cheap.
You didn't put it on the way. Doesn't count.
You knocked mine out.
No, I didn't put it on the way.
That was so cheap, dude.
Pizza. Look at that.
I think we need a playback on that.
Number one here.
Let's see what really happened when my back was turned.
The reigning champ.
Okay, so we watched the playback. The referee says that Josh is a cheater.
I mean, it wasn't me.
We all.
Wasn't me.
Therefore, I win.
Wasn't me.
Hey, just be sure you watch your step on the ladder, right?
Go spin a bell. You what I need, Aaron? Need a total ladder.
Told you. You realized I was right, that's all, guys. It's not an unusual occurrence around here. We have all the insulation done in the new dormer, so we are ready to move on and start spray foaming the windows and the door, and then we're going to paint the interior.
Yes,
of the door.
we got to tape it around the windows first. We don't get any spray foam on the black windows. Destroy the finish. So you got some taping to do.
I do.
I got some spraying to do, and then you got some painting to do.
That's right. So we had to make some choices when it came to the door.
Yes.
We went and we priced out like a custom door, but then we went next door kind of to Home Depot, and they had these just regular like standard doors, I guess you would say, right, that are just completely unfinished, like not painted.
Yes.
And getting this, which was almost the same as the other door, except for the glass was a little bit different, going this direction and painting it ourselves was not only could we take it home that day rather than waiting a week or 4 to 6 weeks, but it was going to save us like over $1,000.
Correct.
So
we saved $1,000. We bought this door from Home Depot, brought it home. It's now installed.
yes,
Right?
and now we're just going to paint it the color that we wanted to paint it. And this glass, we're able to take the glass out. It's not expensive to just get the type of glass that we want, so we're going to pop that thing in and call it a day.
Nice.
Right?
Fantastic.
Yes.
Save me some money. I'm glad.
Yeah, right? I mean, we're doing this with cash, so we don't want to go out. Like if we can save a buck or two here and there and live with the door, then, or whatever the choice is, then we're going to do it.
Yeah.
So now it's
Let's get taping.
time to get back to work.
Yeah. Tape it up. Spray foam it. Paint it. Call it a day.
All right. I have to do the taping and the painting and the relationship and the raking. He can't do any of those kinds of things, you know what I mean?
We don't rake in this household.
Hey, Haiti, you want to paint?
So we are done. We got it insulated.
Yes.
We got spray foamed around all the windows. I went a little buck wild on that window. So I had a lot of spray foam hanging out. No big deal. We got the paint on the door, right?
Yes, it's wet. We still need another coat, but we're going to call it a night and we will take care of that tomorrow.
Yep, no big deal. What else we got? That's it.
So it was a good day. It makes a difference in here. And you know the biggest difference is that we don't have a breeze.
No breeze.
Which kept us a lot warmer now while we're working in here. So that's
And you haven't seen outside yet with the lights on. How's outside a minute ago?
Yes.
Everything glowing looks fantastic.
Yeah, it's pretty
That's
exciting.
awesome. See the windows in, everything glowing out there. It looks great.
Yeah.
I'm happy.
Yep, me
You?
too. Yep, love it.
All right.
All right, guys, that's it for us. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Yep, thanks. See ya. That stuff doesn't want to come off. It's so tight. Kind of like your pants.
They're stretch pants. They're supposed to feel like that. They're not tight, actually.
Supposed to bust the seams like that?
I've actually lost weight. Okay.
So have I.
You keep telling yourself that. Ooh, I have brownie mix I can make later. That's
I
happening.
can't wait. Ice cream, We get whipped creams.
Yes. Hot fudge.
Brian?
Sprinkles.
Nah.
Jimmy's.
Nah.
Yes.
Brian Sunday night though. I'm down with that.
Okay.
How's that working out for you? Not
All
good,
right,
I
all
would say.
right, all right. What diet?
Huh?
I'm not on a diet.
Yeah, right.
This is a lifestyle. Okay? Brownie Sundays, our life. To insulate. You know, our dog Chuck does the same thing. Got a hairball there? The cat.
I got hiccups now.
Now that the hairball is gone, are we ready?
Yes.
Good. Ready? Seriously.
So am I.
Oh. Spray it. Spray it real good. Spray it. Spray it.